Hi and welcome back to the channel. If you have some time to spare, then this video is for you. I'm going to be showing you a website that will pay you up to $25 to complete surveys. Most importantly, you can also make money from playing games. So if you have some time to spare, like I said, this video is for you. It's not going to pay your rent, it's not going to serve as your salary, but it can go a long way. So keep watching because this particular one works worldwide. Keep watching till the end so that you get the full details and start earning today. If today is the first time we talk about ways to make money online, please give this video a thumbs up, share to others, and drop a comment. Let's get started. So the website is called Earnhouse. You can earn up to $25 per online service and spend it today, like it's written here. Earnhouse links you to cash paying service you can take in your spare time. You can share your opinions and earn real money. The best part is that it works on any device. It works on your phone, your iPad, your computer, and you earn cash, not points. We are not talking about points. We're talking about real cash. It pays you in cash, and it's just easy online service that anyone can literally do. So if you check here, you will see people that have received money today. All right, you can see all their payouts here. 20 hours ago, 21 hours ago, $4, $6, and so on. So you can start earning in 3 simple steps. First, you're going to create a free account, provide basic info, and select how you want to get paid. Then secondly, you complete surveys. You answer questions on simple surveys, giving your honest opinions. You get paid as soon as you cash out directly into your preferred payment method. The best part is that it works worldwide. So wherever you are, you can actually earn from Earnhouse. Share your views on products, services, and experiences. Answer simple questions at your own pace. Get paid directly into your bank account. Businesses want to know about what you think. Businesses want to know what you think about their product, and they will pay real cash for you to give honest opinions. Please make sure that you're giving honest opinions so that you don't get disqualified. All right. So they have 4 different payout methods. First is PayPal, Venmo, digital gift card, and direct deposit. Depending on your location, any of these works. All right, they have up to 100 digital gift cards delivered instantly by email. You can answer surveys on trending topic, and these are the trending topics for this month. You can answer surveys on smartphones, TV series, grocery shopping, US presidential surveys, automotive surveys, restaurants, and more. So if you're ready to start, just go ahead and click on Start Earning. It should take you to the sign up page. So this is my dashboard. After signing up, it says you are almost done signing up. Complete the remaining steps below and start earning today. You may qualify to participate in the paid surveys listed below. You can see healthcare surveys for 30 minutes. The payment is $25. Snack concept survey 15 minutes, payment is $4. Social media usage survey, payment is $1.25. So to complete your sign up process, you're going to put your name, your last name, your postal code, your country, gender, your birth month, and your birthday, and continue. After completing the sign up phase and linking my payout method, this is my first payment. This should be your first payment. It's called tutorial survey. So you're going to take this tutorial survey. You will earn $1 for this survey, so don't skip it. I'll take it and then come back to finish this video. So guys, I will not be able to do this survey because of time, but you have to do the survey to get your $1 bonus. And once you get the $1 bonus, you can then begin to take up more surveys. You can see the available surveys I have on my dashboard. $1, $2, $2, $2, and so on. So you can keep refreshing for more surveys to come up, and you keep earning. All right, they have different other offers on board. Check out their offers. Click on offers. If there is offer available, because I just signed up, as time goes on, you see offers. They have jobs. You can check out their jobs. You can check out the evaluations and the panel section for more opportunities. But currently they have 15 surveys for me. You can see 15 surveys, $2 each, and they have survey routers, about 3, including the tutorial survey. All right, so guys, if you have time, if you have spare time, if you have a little time to spare, feel free to explore the website. Check the offer page, their panel, their surveys. Check it out. Complete surveys. $2 per 15 minutes is not too small for someone who does not have a job. I'm not saying this will start paying your rent, but you can pay your rent depending on where you are, depending on your country and your currency. Okay, so don't take it for granted. Sign up today and start taking surveys in your spare time. All right, and if you don't have a job, focus on completing surveys. Bring out time, morning, afternoon, and night, and complete surveys. You will get paid. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts if you're going to try it. I'll leave the link in the description for you so that you can try them out, so that you can check it out today. Okay, so remember, it's not going to pay your rent. It's just for you to get little change if you don't have a job. Even if you have a job, you can do this on your way to work, on your way back from work. You can do this during your break period. You can do this during weekend to just put extra money into your pocket. Thank you so much, everyone. Let me know your thoughts. Check out the link in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.